Good morning, wonderful people of the internet. Guys, my name is Sensation, back with another Lunar TA video. Now, let's see where we are this morning. So, my ascending wedge here that I drew yesterday is still valid for the moment. We are still in an uptrend, but there's a few concerns. Now, don't mind this descending channel that I've drawn here. This would say is like a bullish, like divergence going down, and if we do break out of this, like we should see huge upside. But this is only like over 8 or 9 hours, and I don't know how valid that really is on such a short time frame. But what is valid, 100% sure, is the wedge that I drew from the very start, where we started obviously correcting from the huge dump, which you know from all my videos yesterday about this, because I was fully documenting all through the day, breaking out and then coming back in. So it looks like overnight we tested it twice on 2 hours to see if the top line could be support, and we failed on the third hour and we dropped back into the channel, which is perfectly fine. But then on the next hour we decided to drop below but then pull back in, which was super bullish. And now guys, we are here at around 0.00003,000 or whatever it is, and we're looking like we're going to get a bounce. I'm going to delete this at the moment just so you guys aren't confused, but it looks like we are using this channel still as support. If it was going to break down big time, I think it would have done it by now. This is not financial advice, this is just my own personal opinion, because obviously we have already broke down quite a lot through the channel here and got pulled back up, and we have already tested it here as well, and looks like we're testing it again for like a third time. Could it be third time lucky? I'm not too sure. But all I know is, guys, is if you see it reach 0.00003,000 or lower for like over 2 hours, I could probably say more than likely, I'm 80% sure we're going to be going to the downside in the short term. Not long term, but short term. But this is good that we're getting this little pump up. I've checked the volume levels. There's a lot of buy orders as opposed to sell orders at the moment at this level. So that's really good. That is a positive thing. I don't want to keep bringing negativity to this space. We've had enough of it all week, so I'd rather, you know, keep this positive vibe. So it does look like it's gone green now, and we are getting this bounce off the bottom. So what I'm expecting is more resistance on this bottom line and hopefully go up. That possibility of a breakdown is still imminent, at least for the next 4 to 6 hours, because it is very, very tight there. It's fine that we've come back down, okay? This was just all sort of FOMO here. If it was normal market conditions, we probably would have just kept going up in this channel, which in the long run, this channel is bearish, guys, all right? I'm sorry to bring it to you, but this sort of channel normally is bearish. Normally you'd see this reversed, going down, and then a breakout coming up. So it is sort of bearish in like the long term, but who knows? It's unprecedented times right now, but it does look good for the minute anyway, that we're like sort of consolidating, bouncing off of this bottom bit, and hopefully we'll continue to go up. But I will monitor this all day and do updated videos all through the day as this progresses, because this stuff, I was hoping this is going to be like an M pattern and that we'd pull back down through and then break up, but it was not. I mean, it was definitely not a double top either. I was looking for some sort of like double top, some sort of confirmation that this is the top. So that's good. That's a good thing that it wasn't like a double top. It shows that could not be a top at all. So the potential for it to go a lot higher is there, because it doesn't look like this was any sort of top, because it's like a lower low there, and then this is just like random. It's like even higher than the previous high. So I don't know. It looks like it's bullish on the short term. Long term, it's bearish, obviously. But by then, hopefully, we should be all the way up here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section on this and how you feel today. Like I said, hopefully you are having a fantastic Sunday. I really do hope that it's all positive news for you guys, and that if you're trading this market right now, that you are making some gains and taking some profits, because we are not guaranteed that this coin will be around for the forthcoming future, with them obviously thinking of forking this coin into a new coin and only having 1 billion supply on it, and then giving 40% of that supply to people who held it over $1, and then when it dropped below $1 value, those people get a reimbursement of just 10%, sorry. So if it went below $1, you get a reimbursement of 10% of whatever your portfolio was of Luna on the blockchain at the time. So that's pretty cool that they'll go back and do a snapshot, but we're still waiting for that burn as well. That burn's still supposed to be happening as well, so we are waiting for that. My confidence on this channel, I would probably say this, like, ascending channel, my confidence level on this is probably like 95%. Like, I'm pretty high percentage that this is a really good, like, channel that we're in. I mean, we've tested the top and bottom so many times, broke through, come back, tested it. Definitely here showing that we tested it twice before breaking down, and then obviously we've tested it nearly 3 times now here on the bottom. So I'm just hoping, we have 38 minutes left of this hour, and I'm just hoping that it's going to be more of a green than a red on the upside on this one. Let's take a little look at the 4-hourly and see how this is progressing. I do look at all your comments, by the way, and do reply to some of your comments. So if you do have any questions, by all means, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. It does look like we are underneath this line, but the fact that it's a green candle and it's not dumped really hard, it's really good. Like, we're trying to go back up to that like 3,000 or 30,000 level, which is good. So I'm hoping this is going to sort of just go whoop back in, not use this line now as like a resistance line, and we're just going to sort of come back into that channel. That'll be good. Let's see what it looks like on the daily. We obviously don't really have much to look at on the daily. Looks like we've come up. I can't see us going back down testing here. This back to the like 1,400. That's just way too low. I'd say short term we're bullish, long term we're sort of bearish, like to go up and then come back down to like where we sort of are now. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you definitely drop a like. It's Sunday right now of the recording of this video. Like I said, if you do have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. Drop that like button, it always helps. Share it with a friend, but obviously execute trades at your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is my own personal like technical analysis, and I'm not qualified in any way to give any sort of advice on it. It's just only my speculative opinion. Please go green. I don't like seeing that go red. I'm hoping that this tail is literally just going to be the deepest the tail's going to go, and we're going to see upside. I'll let you guys know around midday, 1 o'clock, with an updated video on how things have progressed. But if you do see it drop a lot below like the 3,000 level, then you guys know we're sort of pulling away from this line. Okay, so keep in the back of your head that when it's like 3,000,000, we're on this line. Just try and visualize that all day. That's what I'm going to be doing, checking on my phone, because I'm not going to sit in front of my computer all day. So if I see it literally on the app, on Binance app, that it's below that like 30,000, 3,000 level. What is it exactly? Because keep saying 3,000. All right, it's 30,000. So going forward, we're going to refer to it as 30,000. If it's below 30,000, then we know we're sort of fighting with this line. But as the hours go on, it should sort of come up anyway and get further and further away. And it is the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning right now in the UK. It's 9:24 exactly. So hopefully everyone in the UK is going to start waking up. They're going to start wanting to get those gains. They're going to want to see a green day for a Sunday. Catch you on my next video. Have a good one. And peace out.